RevCheck brings you another deep dive into the world of luxury motorhomes. And today we're reviewing the all-new 2026 GMC Motorhome, a futuristic reinvention of a true American classic. Back in the 1970s, GMC made history with its iconic motorhome that became a cult favorite among RV enthusiasts. Now, in 2026, GMC has reintroduced this legend with modern technology, luxury, and design that not only honors the past, but also redefines what a motorhome can be in today's world of premium travel. The first impression of the 2026 GMC Motorhome is nothing short of striking. Its exterior design is a careful blend of retro inspiration and modern aerodynamic refinement. The low-slung stance, panoramic windshield, and flush-mounted side windows give it a sleek touring coach look, while the signature GMC grille at the front ties it into the brand's bold design language. LED matrix headlights and dynamic taillights ensure it looks futuristic on the road, day or night. The body is crafted from lightweight composites and aluminum, which help reduce weight while improving fuel efficiency and durability. Every curve and line of the exterior is designed not just for beauty, but also for function, reducing drag and giving it exceptional highway stability. Powering the GMC Motorhome is a highly advanced hybrid drivetrain, combining a twin-turbo V6 engine with dual electric motors. Together, they deliver both efficiency and strength, making long-distance cruising effortless. On electric-only mode, the motorhome can quietly glide through campgrounds or city streets, while the gas engine extends range for cross-country travel. GMC has also engineered a smooth air suspension system that adapts to road conditions in real time, ensuring a ride that feels closer to a luxury SUV than a bulky RV. Whether you're driving through winding mountain passes or cruising on the interstate, the 2026 GMC Motorhome delivers confidence, control, and comfort. Step inside, and you are immediately welcomed into a world of luxury and sophistication that feels more like a high-end penthouse than a motorhome. The interior is designed with premium materials, from genuine leather upholstery to polished wood veneers and brushed aluminum accents. The open floor plan makes maximum use of space, and the panoramic windows flood the cabin with natural light, creating an airy, expansive feel. The lounge area features plush recliners, a convertible sofa, and a 65-inch OLED entertainment screen with a full surround sound system, perfect for relaxing after a long drive. The smart lighting system adjusts automatically to time of day, creating the right mood whether you want a cozy evening or a bright, energizing environment. The kitchen is a chef's dream, equipped with state-of-the-art appliances including a smart induction cooktop, convection oven, integrated refrigerator freezer, and even a compact dishwasher. Solid surface countertops and plenty of storage space make meal preparation easy and elegant. GMC has also integrated a smart home-style control system, allowing you to manage kitchen appliances, climate, and even window shades with voice commands or through the central touchscreen hub. Moving toward the rear, the bedroom is a sanctuary of comfort. A king-sized memory foam bed with customizable firmness dominates the space, paired with ambient lighting and soundproof walls to ensure restful sleep no matter where you're parked. Large side windows give you beautiful views of your surroundings, and privacy shades can be closed at the touch of a button. The motorhome also comes with a fully connected workspace option, allowing digital nomads to work on the road with high-speed satellite internet and ergonomic furniture. The bathroom in the 2026 GMC Motorhome feels more like a luxury hotel spa. It features a walk-in rainfall shower, heated flooring, and a smart mirror with integrated displays for weather, navigation updates, or entertainment. The sink and vanity use premium stone finishes, and storage is carefully integrated so everything feels sleek and uncluttered. GMC's design team clearly aimed to make every aspect of living on the road feel as indulgent as staying in a five-star suite. Technology is at the heart of this motorhome. The driver's cockpit features a fully digital panoramic display that integrates navigation, driver assistance features, and real-time vehicle diagnostics. Advanced driver assist systems, such as adaptive cruise control, Lane centering, blind spot detection, and automatic parking make driving a vehicle of this size surprisingly easy. GMC has even included semi-autonomous driving for highways, allowing the motorhome to handle long stretches with minimal input, while the driver can relax and focus on the journey itself. The 2026 GMC Motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's a mobile luxury lifestyle. It blends history, innovation, comfort, and cutting-edge technology into one package that appeals to adventurers, families, and professionals who refuse to compromise between travel and comfort. GMC has managed to create a motorhome that pays tribute to its iconic past while firmly planting its wheels in the future. For those seeking the ultimate blend of style, performance, and luxury in their travels, the 2026 GMC Motorhome is not just transportation, it's an experience. Whether parked at a scenic lakeside, cruising along the Pacific Coast Highway, or making its way across the open deserts, it offers a level of sophistication that makes the journey just as memorable as the destination. RevCheck will continue to bring you reviews of groundbreaking vehicles like this, but the 2026 GMC Motorhome truly sets a new standard in the world of motorhomes.